Do you have 5 minutes to spare? Then I have the perfect pattern for you. I'm Little John Yarns, and today we're making this easy 5-minute crochet flower. This pattern is created making 5 petals in one single round. The materials that we'll be using today is any worsted weight yarn and a 5mm crochet hook. Alright, let's hop right into this pattern. Today I am using a 5mm crochet hook and I'm using some worsted weight yarn. You can use any yarn and any hook that works with the yarn that you're going to be using. To begin, we are going to chain 5. So start with your slip knot and chain 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We're going to slip stitch to join into the very first chain stitch. So right here, we're going to slip stitch to join, and we are going to form a ring. And once you have your ring, you'll notice a little circle. We are going to chain 1 and single crochet into that ring. Next, we're going to place 4 treble crochets into the ring. To do a treble crochet, you wrap your yarn twice, go into the ring, pull up a loop. You'll have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. And that's how you do a treble crochet. And that's US terminology. So let's do it again. Yarn over twice, into the ring, pull up a loop, 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And that's your second treble crochet. We need to do 2 more. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That's treble crochet number 3. Let's do our 4th one. Yarn over 2 times, go into the ring, and pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And now we're just going to single crochet back into the ring. And we formed our first petal. As you can see, the single crochets on either side pulls the treble crochets down to form a nice little flower petal. So we're going to repeat that one more time. I'll show you again. We're going to place 4 treble crochets into the ring. Yarn over twice. I think you guys got the drift of a treble crochet now. Pull them through 2. That's 1. That's 2. Back into the ring. That's 3. And let's not forget our 4th one. And we are going to single crochet back into this ring. And we formed our second little petal of our flower. We're going to repeat that 3 more times so you can have 3 petals to your flower. All right, so pause your video here. I want you to make 3 more flower petals, and I'll meet you at the very end. Okay, we finished our extra 3 flower petals, and you should have a total of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Instead of placing another single crochet into to finish off that petal, we are going to slip stitch to join into the very first single crochet. I know it's a little bit hard to see, but as you can see right here is my very first single crochet. And we're just going to slip stitch to join. And now you can fasten off your work. As you can see, this end right here is a little bit wobbly. And not wobbly, but you can't see the indent of your petal as well. There is a trick to fix that. If you turn your work around, and when you go to weave in your end, I have this little tool to help me weave my end. I definitely recommend it. It's just a really tiny latch hook. So let me go up through my work. And I pull my loose end all the way to the back. And when I pull here, it tightens the little slip stitch to join. It brings that indent in very nicely. All right, so that is your flower. All right, thank you for joining me on this tutorial. If you like this, please make sure you check out my other crochet tutorials. All right, guys, I'll see you all on the very next video.